in a state where you get someone saying, I'm looking for a job, I've got a degree, I've got a master's in business management. Whose business do you want to manage if you can't start your own business? And also, with especially our black people, I think we have so many people that could really make money and make business out of what they are, like Izangom. If they could learn packaging, package properly, stop putting that Gorobela in a newspaper. They could really be world competition. But the problem is, batata umuthi kobondela and they put it up on the lochwala like any pin. I think if people learn early how to be
and brand their
yes,
muti. I mean, don't
yes.
just give me muti wrapped in the newspaper. Brand it.
And
I
then
mean, it's your profession.
And then European companies come here and sell us the same aloe vera and call it organic and all this and package it properly and sell it for a lot more. So if we thought of ourselves and our gifts as part of entrepreneurship, business, we could go far.
Yeah!